Hello ladies, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Kanchipuram VRK Silks is a 2-decade-old trusted brand with variety of designs and different collections. Kanchipuram VRK Silks has 36 plus branches across South India. It's known for its finest and purest quality of silk throughout the fashion industry. So let's get started and see today's collection of sarees. Today's collection of sarees are Kanchi designer sarees. Firstly, let's start with my beautiful saree that I am wearing. This is a gorgeous red with black color saree. It has all over plain body with black color golden zari and silver color zari peacock designer border. Also, it has a black color golden zari rich pallu and it has a black color plain blouse with a beautiful border. The item code of this gorgeous flaunting saree that I am wearing is LV1554 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 19,950 rupees. Let's skip to next gorgeous saree. This is another beautiful pink color saree. This has all over copper zari flower booty design throughout its body. A beautiful self copper and silver zari flower designer border with sea green edge. And a beautiful self-rich pallu with a gorgeous sea green color blouse and border. The item code of this gorgeous pink color saree that you are seeing is LV1539 and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 17,500 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 17,500 rupees. Let's skip to next beautiful saree. Wow. This is another beautiful blue colored saree, a peacock blue color saree. If you look at the detailing and the weaving of the saree, it has all over checks with peacock and golden zari booty on its body. Beautifully woven. It has an open piping zari border. It has a beautiful rich and a party look and it has a pink color contrast rich pallu. Also, it beautifully has a pink color designer contrast blouse. This looks like a perfect party wear saree and the item code of this gorgeous saree that you are seeing is LV1567 and the weaver's price of this saree is 22,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. This is a beautiful lightweight saree of maroon color. This gorgeous saree has all over golden zari booties with meenakari work on its body. Beautiful work. It has a gorgeous open border. And this lovely lightweight saree has a golden zari plate pallu of pink color. Also to mention, it has a plain blouse with border in the same pink color. The item code of this gorgeous lightweight maroon color saree is LV1569 and the weaver's price is 17,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a beautiful parrot green colored saree. It has yellow weaving, so it's a yellow with green colored saree more. It has all over small rudraksha booties with golden zari on its body. Small rudraksha booties with golden zari. And it has an open border with small jal with mango bunchy booties on its body. Open border with small jal with mango bunches booty. And it has a red color contrast rich pallu. It's really flaunting and has a beautiful look and a red color contrast plain blouse. The item code of this beautiful green and yellow color saree that you're seeing is LV1568 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 17,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a beautiful lavender color gorgeous saree. This lovely saree has all over jewelry design with mango booties on its body. This looks very different. It has a very royal look. A beautiful open border it has with a grand rich pallu. This looks like a perfect evening cool saree and it has a beautiful plain blouse of the same lavender color. This is a very lightweight saree and the item code of this gorgeous cool lavender color saree you're seeing is LV1570. And the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree again is 19,950 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. Wow, this is a beautiful pastel green colored saree with all over designer jewelry, peacock flower booty with golden zari on its body. Beautifully designed, it has a gorgeous self kadi with mango flower multi-meena border, a rich beautiful big border, a fancy designer pallu and a magenta color contrast blouse. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing of pastel green color is LV1571 and the weaver's price of this beautiful sari is 19,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful light peach colored sari. This gorgeous sari has a very rich and a royal look. It has golden zari kairi design all over its body. Beautifully designed, it has a big border, a self golden zari design, a big border like you see. It has a perfect festive look. It looks very elegant. It has a pink color golden zari rich pallu, a contrast color which looks very beautiful, and it has a pink color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous peach colored sari that you're seeing, which has a very festive look, is LV1556. I repeat, it's LV1556 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 22,500 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is another gorgeous mustard with peach colored sari with all over self horizontal designer and golden zari leaf design on its body. A self horizontal design along with golden zari leaf designs on its body. Beautiful sari this is. It has peach color golden zari plate border with peacock design like you see. All these saris has a perfect festive look. They have beautifully been woven. This has a peach color golden zari rich pallu. Beautiful contrast it has and a peach color plain blouse with border. So this item code of the beautiful mustard and peach color sari that I am seeing is LV1540 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous lightweight sari is 14,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful flaunting red color sari with all over golden zari rudraksha with peacock booty design on its body. Small booties of rudraksha and peacock design on its body, and a golden zari skirt plate border with green color core edge, a big skirt border of green color core edge, and a self golden zari rich pallu it has. Also a green color plain blouse with a beautiful border, big border. The item code of this gorgeous flaunting red color sari is LV1546 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 22,500 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is another beautiful mustard color sari with all over small designer booties on its body. This beautiful sari has small designer booties and it has a very elegant copper zari plate with leaf designer border. These copper designs are currently very trending and they have a very perfect look. A beautiful copper zari plate with leaf designer border. It has a peach color copper zari diamond cut designer pallu which has a more of western as well as an elegant look, and a peach color plain blouse with a beautiful border, again of copper color border. The item code of this gorgeous western as well as an elegant sari that you're seeing of mustard color is LV1545 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 19,950 rupees. Next sari. This is another gorgeous blue and green colored sari. It has all over micro golden zari checks on its body, small checks like you can see, and it has a beautiful green color open gala golden zari piping border, a beautiful jacquard contrast pallu, and a green color blouse with designer border. Beautiful blouse. The item code of this lovely sari of green and blue color is LV1562 and the weaver's price of this sari is 14,950 rupees. Let's skip to next gorgeous sari. Wow, this is a gorgeous maroon colored sari with all over zari checks with rudraksha and peacock booties on its body. This gorgeous sari has all over golden zari checks with rudraksha and peacock booties like you see. It has a matte feel plate border with purple color core contrast edge. Beautiful border, a blue color jacquard pallu and a blue color blouse with designer border. The item code of this antique elegant saree that you're seeing is LV1561 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 25,000 rupees. Next beautiful saree. Wow, this collection of sarees are really very elegant. This is a gorgeous yellow colored saree which has a beautiful festival look. A mustard yellow color saree with all over designers flower booties with golden zari on its body. Look at the detailing of this saree. And it has a turning work border, a big turning work border. So a grand rich pallu and a mustard yellow color blouse. The saree is a very lightweight and a very elegant looking saree. It has a perfect festive look and the item code of this beautiful saree that is on me is LV1560 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 19,950 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a beautiful light brown with peach colored saree. This has a more of an onion color look. This beautiful saree has silver and golden zari flower booty designs on its body. Beautiful designs on its body. And it has a peach color golden zari flower and plate designer border. This is a very good contrast to be a beautiful peach color golden zari rich pallu. This pastel color contrasts are really amazing. And a peach color plain blouse with border. This looks like a perfect party wear saree for an evening and the item code of this beautiful saree that you're seeing is LV1542. The weaver's price of this saree is 14,950 rupees. Gorgeous next saree. This is a beautiful green colored saree, a bottle green colored saree. This has all over plain body with mango buttas on its body. Beautiful mango buttas on its body and a pink color contrast cuddy designer border, a beautiful small pink color contrast cuddy designer border and a rich pallu. Also it has a beautiful pink color designer blouse. The item code of this gorgeous saree that you're seeing is LV1572 and the weaver's price of this beautiful green color lightweight saree is 17,500 rupees. Next gorgeous saree. This is a lovely yellow colored saree with green color border. This gorgeous saree has all over golden zari flowers with booty design on its body. Beautiful flower booty designs and a green color golden zari peacock with plate design border. A green color golden zari designer pallu again and a green color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1563 and the weaver's price of this beautiful yellow colored saree is 22,500 rupees. Next beautiful saree. Wow, this is a beautiful blue colored saree. It has all over zari lines with designer mango booties on its body. Beautiful small zari lines they have with mango booties on its body. And it also has a traditional kaddi border with core pink edge. Beautiful traditional kaddi border with core edge pink color and a grand rich lovely pallu. Also it has a plain contrast blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous blue colored saree that you're seeing is LV1565 and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 25,000 rupees. Next beautiful saree. Wow, this is a beautiful light peach colored saree. This is another pastel colored saree which has a very beautiful look. It has all over plain body with broad multi motifs, group booty with golden zari and copper zari on its body. Both golden and copper zaris with multi motifs and group booties beautifully woven. It has an open border. This is a very simple and a lightweight saree. It looks very beautiful. It has a beautiful grey colored jacquard pallu and an open border blouse. This looks like a perfect party wear evening saree. The item code of this gorgeous peach colored sari that you're seeing is LV1566 and the viewers price of this sari is 17,500 rupees. Next beautiful sari. This is a beautiful ink blue colored sari, a royal blue colored sari with purple color. It has golden zari leaf with peacock design on its body. A gorgeous peacock design on its body with golden zari leaf. And a purple color plate with flower designer border. A purple color golden zari rich pallu. And a plain blouse with border. The item code of this beautiful royal blue colored sari is LV1541 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 14,950 rupees. Next sari. Wow. This is a gorgeous dual shade sari with green and pink color. This beautiful sari has silver and golden zari dollar butta design on its body, like you see. And it has a beautiful pink color golden zari plate with peacock and flower design border. A beautiful pink color golden zari rich pallu and a plain blouse with border in pink color. The item code of this gorgeous dual shade sari is LV1555 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 19,950 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 19,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is a lovely grey colored sari with golden designer booties. It has golden zari designer booties on its body. A beautiful golden zari designer border with pink color core edge. And a pink color golden zari rich pallu. Also it has a pink color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing is LV1557 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous grey colored sari is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a gorgeous blue colored sari with all over plain silver and golden zari floral booties on its body. This gorgeous sari has self golden zari designer plate border with purple color core contrast edge. A beautiful red color contrast matte feel pallu and a beautiful red color blouse. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1575 and the weaver's price of this beautiful blue colored sari is 19,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is another beautiful sari of blue color. Again, this has a navy blue colored sari with maroon color. It has all over golden zari rudraksha booty design on its body, like you see. This has a very beautiful bright look. A maroon color golden zari plate with leaf designer border. And a beautiful maroon color golden zari lahariya design pallu. Also a maroon color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous bright blue colored sari is LV1558 and the weaver's price of this beautiful sari is 22,500 rupees. Let's skip to next beautiful sari. Wow. This is a beautiful pink colored sari, a peach colored sari with all over plain body and jal work skirt design. Beautiful skirt design it has. A beautiful open border and a sea green color, beautiful pallu. This is a very lovely combination. It has a plain blouse of sea green color again. The sari is a very lightweight sari and the item code of this gorgeous cool sari is LV1573 and the weaver's price of this beautiful pink and blue colored sari is 14,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is again a mehendi green colored sari with maroon color. This beautiful sari has all over rudraksha with peacock booty design on its body. It has all over rudraksha with peacock booty design on its body and a beautiful maroon color peacock with rudraksha design with plate border and a maroon color golden zari rich pallu. Also a maroon color plain blouse with border. item code of this gorgeous mehendi green colored saree is LV1544 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 17,500 rupees. Next saree. A beautiful blue colored saree. This is with all over golden saree animal design on its body. Beautiful animal design on its body with a light purple color designer border. Light purple color designer border both sides and a light purple color golden saree designer pallu. Also a purple color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous blue colored saree is LV1550 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 17,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a gorgeous dark pink colored saree with meenakari leafy design on its body. Beautiful leafy design it has. This has a very gorgeous look. I really love the design on its body. It has a beautiful open border and a sea green color golden zari designer pallu in contrast. Also a sea green color plain blouse. This is a very lightweight saree and the item code of this beautiful saree that you are seeing is LV1548 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 14,950 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a beautiful pastel green colored saree. This is a very lightweight saree and a cool evening saree. It has all over plain body, beautiful plain body with light pink color border and silver zari. Beautiful designer pallu it has and a plain blouse. This is a very lightweight yet a very elegant saree. It looks western and elegant at the same time. It looks like a perfect party wear and the item code of this lightweight saree is LV1578 and the weaver's price of this beautiful pastel colored saree is 17,500 rupees. Next beautiful saree. This is a gorgeous yellow colored saree with a festive vibe again. It has a peach pink color border, all over checks with big rudraksha booties with small dotted booties design on its body. Beautifully woven. It has a peach pink color contrast plate designer border and a peach pink color contrast rich pallu along with a contrast blouse. The item code of this beautiful yellow colored saree with a festive vibe is LV1576 and the weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 22,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a gorgeous orange colored saree with purple color border. It has all over plain body with fancy floral booties with golden antique zari on its body. You see small antique zari golden booties they have and a purple color turning work gorgeous border along with a contrast matte feel pallu and a purple color plain blouse with designer border. The item code of this gorgeous saree that you are seeing is LV1564 and the weaver's price of this beautiful orange colored saree is 14,950 rupees. Next lovely saree. Wow, this is a beautiful purple colored saree with all over silver zari rudraksha and animal booty design. You see here animal booty design with rudraksha booties and a self zari plate border of silver color. A self silver zari rich pallu and a purple color plain blouse with border. This has a perfect party wear look and the item code of this gorgeous purple colored saree is LV1553. The weaver's price of this beautiful saree is 22,500 rupees. Next gorgeous saree in the way. Wow, this is a beautiful beige colored saree. It has all over copper zari square designs. This is a very rare and a very modern look. It has copper zari peacock and plate border as well with copper zari square design, which is very modern and a very trendy, quirky look. It has a self copper zari peacock and rudraksha booty design pallu. The copper designs and the copper weaving are very trending right now. It has a beautiful self plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous beach colored sari with copper is LV1552 and the viewers price of this gorgeous sari is 17,500 rupees. This is a highly recommended sari. Next lovely sari. This is another gorgeous pink with blue colored sari. This gorgeous sari has small rudraksha booty design on its body with golden color all over the body. Small golden zari rudraksha booty design and a blue color golden zari design, a border, a big border with blue color golden zari rich pallu and a blue color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1543 and the viewers price of this beautiful sari is 22,500 rupees. Next beautiful sari. And this is a beautiful navy blue colored sari with all over line booty with copper zari on its body. Again a copper zari trending design with a line design, this time line booty, and a self designer border with golden and copper zigzag design zari. A beautiful self zari silver designer pallu and a pink color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1551 and the viewers price of this beautiful lightweight sari is 17,500 rupees. Next sari. Wow, this is a beautiful pink colored sari, a peach pink colored sari with golden zari rudraksha and peacock design on its body. Beautifully woven peacock design with zari and a self plate with circle design, a border with green color core edge. Self plate with circle design, a border with green color core edge. A self golden zari diamond cut design, a pallu and a peach color plain blouse with beautiful border. The item code of this gorgeous pink colored sari is LV1547 and the viewers price of this beautiful sari that you are seeing is 19,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, a gorgeous grey color sari is in front of you with a maroon or a snuff color border. This beautiful sari has all over golden zari rudraksha booty designs on its body. A maroon color plate designer border and a maroon color golden zari lahariya design pallu with a maroon color plain blouse and border. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you are seeing is LV1549 and the viewers price of this beautiful sari is 19,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a gorgeous lavender colored lightweight sari. In fact, a baby pinkish lavender color. It has golden zari multicolor meena work booties throughout its body. You see a purple color and a green color and a red color meena booties, meena work booties. It has a beautiful open border and a golden zari diamond cut design, a beautiful pallu with a flaunting purple color plain blouse. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1574 and the viewers price of this beautiful sari is 25,000 rupees. So we at VRK Silks have a video calling facility where you don't have to step out of your houses to go shopping. All you have to do is a video call and a staff will assist you do the shopping. And in case you like any of the sari from the live and you want to buy it, all you have to do is take a screenshot of the sari that you like along with the item code and send it to us on our WhatsApp number 9696699666. So the same live will be uploaded on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube of VRK Silks. You can go there and check out the live if you have missed. So that's all for today's live. Let's meet in another live with more collection. Bye-bye.